Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Etsy listings visibility with Etsy SEO basics step by step clearly. To restore your Etsy listings visibility, start with keyword research. Identify relevant keywords that potential customers might use to search for your products. Use tools like Etsy's search bar, Google Trends, or keyword planners to gather ideas. Look for keywords with a balance of search volume and competition. Next, optimize your listing titles. Include your primary keyword at the beginning of the title. Make sure the title accurately describes the product while being appealing to buyers. Now, focus on your product descriptions. Incorporate your keywords naturally throughout the description. Provide detailed information about your product, including its features, benefits, and dimensions. Etsy allows up to 13 tags per listing, so be sure to use all available slots. Choose a mix of broad and specific tags related to your item. Next, optimize your images for better visibility. Use high-quality images that clearly showcase your product from different angles. Rename your image files with relevant keywords before uploading them to Etsy. After that, set competitive pricing for your items. Research similar products to gauge the right price point. Consider your production costs, labor, and shipping when determining prices. Now, focus on your shop policies. Clear and concise policies build trust with potential buyers. Make sure to outline shipping times, return policies, and any other essential information. Finally, promote your listings through social media and other channels. Share your products on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Engage with your audience to drive traffic back to your Etsy shop. Monitor your listings regularly to track performance. Adjust keywords, descriptions, and images based on what resonates with your audience. Stay informed about current Etsy SEO trends and best practices. Continuously updating and optimizing your listings will keep them visible and attractive to potential buyers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.